Hello friend, today I'm going to show you how to delist your IP from Barracuda. So if you want to know whether your IP is blacklisted in Barracuda or not, you have to open Mxtoolbox. And before opening to Mxtoolbox, you have to make sure that you have connected to some different IP location, like let's connect with France IP address, so that so that Mxtoolbox people will not get to know where you are uh, from where you are suffering this website. So it is very important to do this, because they will keep your IP public IP while delisting. So make sure you have changed the IP address before going to MX Toolbox. Yeah, go to blacklist. Now check the IP affected IP reputation, whether it is blacklisted in a spam Barracuda or not. Let's see. Yeah, this IP is listed. There are many places this IP address is blacklisted. So this, you don't need to think about this. A Barracuda, I'll explain you now. IVMS IP I have explained in my previous recordings. Solves spam, truncate, upper. This thing you can ignore. Means this, if your IP reputation will be good, then this will no matter. You can ignore this for. So we'll delist IP from Barracuda. So let's start Barracuda delist. Here you have to give the affected IP address, which is blacklisted IP address, email ID to get the verification mail from Barracuda, phone number, you can give anything. Here, reason for removal, means why we are removing your IP address, means that delisting message I have told you that you have to give, like your mail server is hacked, so it won't be happen again. What are the things you have implemented to your mail server so that your IP will not be blacklisted again and again. So you just send a reason that why your IP address is blacklisted and what are the steps you have taken to um, it won't happen again. Like it will not, you will not send, you will not get blacklisted again. So you need to submit this. So once it will be submitted, then one message will come on your email that your request has been taken and your IP will be blacklisted. Your IP will be delisted very soon. So this is how you can delist IP from Barracuda. It will take some time to submit request. Before 5 years back, I think it is working very fine. Now it is taking some time to submit. So no issue, you just keep your screen like this only until your submit request has been completed. So once your IP is blacklisted in Barracuda, then you won't be able to send mail to Gmail. Yeah, see, your request has been received, your confirmation number is this. That's it. This is the way you have to delist from Barracuda, and you have to wait until your request is submitted. Thank you for watching this.